For years, phone manufacturers have been claiming that you no longer need a bulky and heavy mirrorless or DSLR camera to get professional grade results out of your photography. So to test this claim once and for all, we've put together what I would call a pretty unique challenge. It's going to be me versus Brandon, but the fight won't exactly be fair. Brandon will be using
the Pixel 3.
The Pixel 3, while I will be equipped with the GFX 50R from Fujifilm, a 51 megapixel, what's it called? Medium format.
Medium format.
So to put this in perspective, guys, this is the tool you would use for fashion photography or like taking the kind of picture that would get blown up to the size of a building. And Brandon gets a Pixel 3. Summer break just started, but it's never too early to start looking for a new laptop for back to school. Every Origin PC laptop is ready for whatever games or school projects you're gonna tackle, and you can check out their special deals at the link below. This thing's heavy, eh?
It's a nice feel. I mean, like, hey, that's the only thing I got going for me here. Like, this thing is, I forgot how small the Pixel is to begin with. Like,
are you guys ready for your first challenge?
Yeah, I guess so.
Andy, hand them the envelope.
I feel like I'm on Amazing Race.
There's one envelope? We couldn't afford two envelopes?
That's expensive.
All right. Photo challenge number 1, the action shot. For this challenge, you will be judged on these 3 criteria: the sense of speed your photo conveys, your use of foreground and background contrast, the clarity of the action. You will have 2 laps of track to capture a single best photo. Gentlemen, turn on your cameras and may the best photo win. Turn around.
What?
Okay, hang on. Wait, what?
Okay, well hold on. We're not starting yet. I don't even know how to turn on the camera. So this is a 23 millimeter. I think that means it's a prime. Shut up. This is, I think, my aperture. Oh my God.
My camera is ready.
Yeah, smart guy. You act like you're happy about this, but I know you'd rather be using this. Oh my God, this doesn't seem to do focus. I don't think this is changing focus. I really need to know how focus works. Also, this lens is like fisheye. Okay, I need to change my lens. Ah! Wow, that is a big sensor. Oh, that is hot. I think I want my longer lens for this one. I want lots of background blur. Okay, what do I do? Hold on a second. That goes there.
Oh my God.
Shut up.
Watching you change it. You're holding the sensor so high up. No, red dot to red dot. Okay, I shouldn't help you. I shouldn't.
I got this, don't worry. White balance is set to underwater. Who the hell did that? Were they trying to f me? Color space, highlight tone, shadow tone, what is this? Noise reduction -2, let's set that to default.
I don't have a lot of confidence in Linus's ability to take photos at the same time.
Oh, I think it's autofocus.
That medium format Fuji I've been using for like 3 months. It's amazing.
Okay, I just hold the shutter halfway down. I know this. How do I pick a focus point? Is it touch? No? Go away, Brandon. You aren't helping.
I'm not gonna help you. I just like watching you suffer. I'm gonna turn HDR off because I think that for action you don't really need. And I'm not quite sure how the processing will handle the motion blur if James is gonna be running, so I really have no idea. Better to just leave it off.
Oh, I have to unlock it.
Are we gonna actually do this challenge ever?
Shut up, I'm working on it. So where do we go?
It's up to you, but Mr. Action Photographer.
I'll let you go first.
You want to walk fast? It's all in the hips.
Ready, Linus?
I'm as ready as I'm gonna be. Okay, I didn't even get a picture. No! I have to get out ahead of him. One lap only, I think.
Okay, yeah, sure.
I'm f***ed. So this is one of my images. It's a picture of the track at my feet. That was really hard. Like, I knew I wasn't gonna know how to operate the camera, but the part that I didn't account for was having to get in position against a moving target. I mean, I guess that is the challenge, is Brandon has the know-how and I have the better equipment. Okay, Brandon, you're up. 3, 2, 1, go! See the way he stands up? Doesn't he f you with that?
Yeah, no kidding. So my whole strategy of like trying to just wait for the parts where James was in good light didn't work out quite how I thought, because I've never done a 400-meter sprint while trying to take a photo of somebody. And surprisingly, that's not that easy to do. Now, I think I'm pretty happy with that last shot that I got, because with a little bit of editing and a crop, I think it'll look pretty good because I'm getting that nice like texture of the building area and the lines from the track. This has also shown me that maybe I should take up running, because I'm a little bit out of shape when it comes to that. I feel good though. Like overall, like I could have done maybe a little bit better, but I'm feeling good. Okay then, it's like a fun house in here. Is that the trophy for whoever wins this?
Oh my God, it is.
Amazing photographer genius.
Hey, wait, this is a reused trophy. This is from Nerd Sports.
Scrap your work. Oh.
Okay, so what's the
doing?
challenge?
The challenge is
Editorial fashion photography, oh Lord, is the glitz and glamour of the photo world. You need to use the lights, the space, and most importantly, the star to capture the raw emotion that an outfit conveys and to sell that merch.
Oh my God! Oh, I'm so excited.
Oh my God.
Good luck. The best photographer wins.
For this challenge, you'll be judged on how much the judges actually want to buy the clothes presented. Well, I think that's a foregone conclusion.
Yeah, I think that's decided for us already.
You have 15 minutes with the star to get 3 photos of 3 different merch items. That's not a lot of time.
I'll be honest, I'm pretty worried for this next one.
you can only use the lights that are on that set, but you can use any props, any chairs, anything else that you find inside this room.
I think you should go first this time.
Oh, okay. All right.
Go ahead, Brendan.
I think you're supposed to leave the room for the shoot.
Oh, okay.
You can't watch me use these lights and then...
You got to watch me go around the track.
That was different. There's no parameters of helpfulness there for me.
Time starts now.
Okay, Colton, you ready for this?
What am I doing?
Put your pants on.
Oh, thank you.
Put your pants on. Here, put this shirt on. Don't force it to be a sexy shoot.
Honestly, I'll just dress down.
Let's see how this goes.
Hold it sexy.
Hold on. Okay, so Colton, sit down. Hold that like in front of me.
Okay.
I need something more interesting than this. Okay, drink from the water bottle.
Like how? Do you want me to pour it all over myself?
And then give me like your sexiest like
What? Sexiest what?
David Hasselhoff stare. Hold the hat like this. Like grab two sides.
No, I just think you're there you go.
Hold on.
I swore. Whoops. Ah.
Okay, never mind. No, that's fine. Okay. Oh, you're killing it.
What's my expression?
You're about to
Doesn't
watch
matter.
the last episode of Game of Thrones when you were actually excited about it.
Oh man, they rushed it. They rushed it so bad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sit behind. Yeah. So sit behind this table.
I'm like behind it?
Yeah, like sexy photo table. Like, but you're just in the background. Think about being the French girl. You're the French girl. Okay. Cool. Try wearing 3 hats.
3 hats, okay?
So like one, another,
Sure.
another.
Okay.
And then just like look up at your head. You're like, I'm so awesome wearing 3 hats. This is a new trend. You're wearing the new trend of wearing 3 hats at the same time. Okay, hold this.
Hold it, okay? Okay, got it.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect, Colton. Hold on. Be like, and then eyes to me.
4, 3.
Come back to me. Turn back to me. Here.
Time.
All right.
Camera's down.
That was hard. Holy crap. Oh my God.
This experience was weird because it was with my coworker, but I started with all my clothes off. Wait, not all of them. I had my boxers. Anyways, it's just weird. I think Brandon did a great job. I mean, Brandon does this stuff all the time, so like he's a natural born professional, you know. So
I love Colton. We've worked together for like 4 years. Having him be a model is a weird turn to our relationship, but no, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. Fingers crossed anyway that I managed to pull something that was good off.
So Brandon better watch out because I spent the last 15 minutes going through the menus of this camera, and I wouldn't call myself an expert, but I figured out how to change the ISO now. So I've got that going for me.
All right, your time is starting now.
What now?
Go.
Oh God.
what's the plan, Linus?
Look, I'm thinking. Right now, I need to figure out how to get you in focus, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna move this though, because he looks kind of too dramatic right now. I'm into more like, you know, bright and fun. Colton, can you do bright and fun, or is it all soulless with you all the time?
I'm a bright and fun guy.
It's all soulless all the time.
I tell you what, I'm a bright and fun guy.
Oh my God, okay. Oh boy. I don't know how to do this. Okay.
What do you want me to do, Linus? I want you to win.
I want you to help me. Okay,
Yeah.
let's cross your arms. Let's do like a,
Where do you want me to look?
give me like a smug smile. Why is the light so low? Oh my God, it's so heavy. Okay, you know what? Let's do something sensual. Start unzipping it with the one hand, then you got the other hand like on the thing. So you're kind of eye contact. No, you look like my disapproving father. All right, you know, give me a dab. Who knows? The kids like dabs, right? A dab. Give me like a dab. Oh my God, this backdrop is tiny. Can you move a little bit to your right? Here, hold on. Let's just do like more of like a close up. No, maybe that's not good. Maybe that's less good.
That's what I thought.
Here's a fun mug.
A fun mug.
Yep, fun mug. No, that's bad. It covers your face. That's terrible. It's a bad idea. Sandals. Put these on.
Yes, let's go.
Please. Okay. Wait.
What?
We need socks.
No!
Give me some fun. Give me like wah, you know?
Woo! Hold on.
That actually wasn't that bad.
Where do I get my paycheck?
You gotta look at me.
Put my pants back on.
I don't make the rules, man. More intensity. Can you do more intensity? Oh my God, I feel like it's like a mugshot. Okay, give me like kind of like a hat tip. Like, how you doing, ladies?
I'm married.
Oh God. Oh my God, that's not in focus. Okay, hold on. Yeah, look at the camera. A little more smile. You have more smile?
Yeah, I got more smiles.
That's just kind of
This is
weird.
hilarious.
It's weird.
Oh, okay.
It's weird. I don't like it. Okay. Oh, like that's not actually bad. I want that. I want you
wow.
putting.
Dude, I look like my rap album's about to
Yeah,
hit
I want you.
one.
I want you putting the hat on. Okay? All the way off, and then like, you know what?
Terrible direction.
We're going. Oh, actually, here's.
What's the idea, dude? Talk
Okay,
to me.
I have an idea. Just wait.
Talk to me.
I just want some of the water.
What is about to happen?
Just wait. Give me a classic like Billy Mays here.
Billy Mays here.
You're having a great time. You're a sports ball player. Oh my God, it's horrible. You look like it's killing you.
That'll sell. People will buy that. LTGstore.com.
Okay, I want something playful here. Playful.
It's
So
playful, sure.
I want you to splash me with the water.
Splash, you have a camera.
Just like you're having fun. Middle of a water fight, and you don't have your hand on your hip like that. You're just like, oh my God.
I'll do it, but you gotta get the shot.
I'm
moving.
I'm gonna get you.
I'll get you. Get the shot though.
Hold on.
This is gonna be the greatest photo shoot of all time.
All right, give me a greatest photo shoot of all time pose.
If that, what have I done with my life?
So give me the water bottle.
There you go.
Give me the water bottle. Pull your arms under the sleeves.
Yeah.
Put the hood on.
I should have done that
Just
before.
flip it on. Just wait. Just chill. It's all good. That's not bad. Okay, and wiggle around in there. Just like get loose.
Wiggle.
Okay, yeah, wiggle around. Okay, now look at me and hold still. Okay.
Take a picture. Go.
Okay, we're doing it.
Time. What the fuck was that?
I don't know.
I'm sorry for swearing. You know the problem with people and their fancy cameras? Oh, let me change the settings. Look, the experience with Linus was a little crazy, but it was fun. It was exciting. You know, Brandon, he's just all, turn the lights on. Put your pants on. Put your pants on. I didn't put my pants on this entire time.
Right? See?
What is that picture? New profile. I put that on my LinkedIn, dude.
Okay, it's time for challenge number 3.
Oh boy.
boy, here we go. There's a lot of dog stuff on the table. That's exciting.
This is weird.
Does this mean I could have brought my dog to work today? Challenge number 3, food
photography.
Capturing still life may seem easy, but the devil is in the details. For this challenge, you are tasked with capturing the most appealing photography of, drumroll, dog food. What? You'll each be giving the same set of backdrops, lighting, and props. You have 10 minutes to get one photo. This is literally a silver can with gaff tape that says dog. Guys.
We don't even have that much to work with here.
Can I get a spoon to like?
Work with anything in this room.
Okay.
Anything in the room.
Anything in the room.
Well, I'm gonna use the 2 dog food dishes.
That's not how the challenge works.
You said I could use anything in this room.
I'm gonna let you do this one first, cause I want to just listen from a distance how you deal with, cause you've never had a dog. You have cats.
I had a dog when I was a kid.
Oh, you did? Okay.
And it's not complicated. I know how dog food works. How am I supposed to make this look appetizing?
You have 10 minutes.
What, now? I haven't even had a chance to think yet. Oh my God. I was actually feeling okay about the last couple of challenges, but this one I'm deeply worried about. Like, if you guys gave us a meal that's actually nice,
Then it wouldn't be a challenge.
that might have been nice.
Yeah, what kind of challenge is easy?
Oh my God, you need 2 Allen keys just to, okay. So maybe we don't have him eating it. Maybe he's just present. And he looks happy. So we've got the tail up. This looks disgusting. I mean, can I warm it up? I think it'll help.
Sure.
Yeah, you don't think warming this up is gonna help? It's gonna help a lot. I need to get all this camera crap off here. What am I supposed to do with this? Let's see if I remember how to use the bloody camera. This smells so bad. Look at this, it's like juicy. I'm mixing it. I don't think you guys could make this look appetizing either. What if I put like a small like garnish on it? Okay, I got a knife. This is lipstick on a pig if I've ever seen it. Is my battery dead? This is not working. Maybe I do need dog things. Get this stupid thing out of here. This is like dirty. Is there anything else that I can use to like present it? This is actually the worst thing I've ever done.
1. Time.
I'm screwed! I'm done! This is it! It's over!
Oh boy.
No!
Okay, oh my God. All right. Jesus. Okay, one of these might work. Let's see. Oh, this is gross. Oh, it's hard. Jesus. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Oh no. Okay, wait. Can I break this?
Yeah.
I'm done. Calling it.
How do you feel like you did?
You know, as good as appetizing as you can make dog food. I mean, I have a dog, she's small, and she'd probably love eating that.
Photo challenge number 4, the professional headshot. One of the most reliable ways to make some quick cash as a starting photographer is to offer headshots. Although it seems easy, it demands a steady, confident hand, which is why you'll be shooting from a moving car. You are in charge of directing the subject to produce a pose and expression that would get the most appeal to a potential client. You get 3 drive-bys at 20 kilometers an hour.
Oh God.
I'm so glad you're going first because I need to figure out how to change my shutter speed.
All right.
Wait, I have to drive the car, don't I?
Yep.
James loves taking his shirt off. I'm gonna ask him to take his shirt off and give me like a sexy pose. Ooh. Is that a headshot though?
It's a Tinder profile picture.
Tinder profile picture. We're going for a Tinder profile picture. Yeah, sexy pose headshot.
Okay, Elias, you ready to drive?
And you want the tire on that line in the road, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do my best, Brandon. No promises though.
Oh my God, okay, reverse, reverse.
Okay, so guys, that was 7 kilometers an hour, and I think that's probably nuts.
Yeah. Oh God, okay. This is so hard. All right, I have 3 photos.
I see what Brandon was doing. I don't think he was using your strengths. You like taking your shirt off, right?
Oh.
So you're a pickup kind of guy. Clean, but not too clean. Okay. You've got the button-up shirt, but it's over the shoulder. Oh my God, I wish I could just use this right now. Oh, don't move. Let's go, let's go! Oh, wow.
Okay, I'm gonna get out.
I have a photo.
Hell yeah. I don't know which one of us is gonna come out of this. Okay. That was probably one of the hardest photos that I've ever had to try to take. Like, just technically speaking.
This was not a good performance. I'm not blaming you, James. You did your best.
You did great, James. Yeah. 100%, 110% great.
So you ready for challenge number 5?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie. I felt pretty good about the first 2. The third one, I never stood a chance. And that last one, you're gonna be embarrassed for me how badly I bombed it.
All right, well, we'll see how number 5 goes then.
As far as I'm concerned, this could go either way right now.
Yes, it could, very much so. Challenge number 5, the couples photographer. As a photographer, it's often your job to capture the important moments in your clients' lives. For your final challenge, you'll have to use all your skills to create a series of beautiful, unique, and intimate pregnancy photos of the only couple our budget could allow. Oh my God!
Is that what the pregnant cast was for?
Yeah.
My actual wife's belly cast.
Oh, okay, that's clever. So then you can expense it to work, but you get the pregnant cast.
I don't want.
Why would you want that?
Well, people, I don't know, this is a kit that exists. People clearly want them.
Sorry.
But you don't do it with a bra on. I couldn't have my wife's actual nipples on Colton.
Oh my God. All right, it's your turn to go first.
Okay. How long do I have?
15 minutes.
15 minutes? And how many photos? Just one?
3.
3 photos?
3 beautiful, different, unique photos.
Well, the good news is I've already got my camera dialed in for direct sunlight photos here. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Dang it. Okay, come on over here, guys. I've got a little clearing here. Okay. I'm just, no, I'm just, here, hold on a second. I'm just thinking, okay? Yeah, okay, yeah, so you got it, yeah.
I just had McDonald's.
Yeah, and that is what happens. Don't close your eyes. You're enjoying this moment. I want Mona Lisa smile.
I don't know what that means.
Have you seen the Mona Lisa?
I don't really care for it that much, but yeah, sure.
Dude, help me.
I'm trying.
Help me. Keep your hands together so it's less obvious how mannish they are. And then James, yep, arm on the belly. James, you're so proud of her. Okay, quirky smile. Look at me, but give me like side eyes. That's not side eyes, okay.
He wants me to look
You're like coy,
somewhere else.
coy. Look at me. Your head down at your tummy a little bit, but kind of coy. Okay, we're gonna have to work with that. Okay, you're walking away from the life that you once knew with happiness in it. You're gonna have children. Okay, how do I do this? Hold on, 45. I'm going with 45. I want you guys centered in the frame. Move to your left. More left, walk backwards towards me. Wow, this is the worst. Okay, forget it, this doesn't work. Come here, over here. Over here, you guys. Colton, you're sitting, just shut up.
Sitting?
You look about like a pregnant lady trying to sit. James, support him. No, I mean sit behind him. Actually, that's not bad, good, sunbathe. Yeah, kiss on the head, that's good. Can you look happy about the situation?
I'm happy.
Oh, it's blurry, just one moment, please.
Oh, I'm
Okay, So I want some playful interaction. I want like a playful shove from Colton. Like you guys are,
Give like a playful one of those.
No, you want the baby. You want the baby.
Stop.
Try to do this for me, okay? If you can do this, this is my winning picture. I want you on one knee, like you're proposing. You know, like a playful mock proposal, because you're pregnant. I have no idea what to do with this background. Okay, we got flowers. Yes. Thank you, model. Okay. Yes. Okay, a little bit closer. James, can you get sort of unnaturally close? Like I know you're at like a good distance, but yeah, just for framing it's.
Oh my God. What? It fits? That's cool.
Just a sec. Okay. Shut up! You're not helping. Okay, we're gonna pretend that you're not actually 8 months pregnant. You like just did it. This is your grass bed. Okay, so then your legs are here. Do you need help getting? Your legs are out here, and you're laying across his lap. Quickly. Okay, perfect.
There you go. That's time.
I'm calling that good.
All right, my turn. How does it go?
At least one of your photography subjects today is pretty challenging to work with.
Can you guess which one?
Good luck.
Good luck. Yeah.
Thank you.
And 3, 2, 1.
All right, Colton James, come over here. Stand, both of you stand like right here. Look deeply into each other's eyes. Like as if you just love each other. Yeah, no, hold your belly a little bit. Colton, sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Yeah? Right now.
Yes. You know what, you lie down a little. Okay, why don't you lie down? Like lie down with your head here.
Like this?
Yeah, right, like that.
Put my head in his lap.
I love it. All right, nice guys. Okay, James, stand behind Colton and hold his belly. Interlock your hands.
My hands?
Yeah.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah. No, that's great, James. Great. Colton, put the flowers in your hair. James, I want a shot of you kissing his belly.
Nice. Finally.
Guys, Colton.
Your stand a little bit more towards James.
Look, I'm sure it's fine. Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's too much.
Too much. Okay.
Yeah. There we go. Perfect. Okay, both of you stand right here.
Limit. Reach the limit.
You don't have much time. What? No. What?
I'm just trying to think like this.
1 minute, buddy.
1 minute.
Just start taking pictures, dude.
James, Colton, stand here. James, sit at put your head against his belly. Both of you look in my direction. Cool. All right, I'm done. It's fine. This was far harder, but I think I actually managed to get a couple shots that I'm pretty happy with. So we'll see how Linus did.
Welcome back to LTT's Scrapyard Cupcake Drag Race Island. We have just made our way through 5 grueling challenges where our 2 contestants have faced off using a Pixel 3 and a GFX 50R. Adjudicating this panel is 3 experts in the field. First, Edzil Yago. Second, David Gauthier. Haha. And third, Dennis Liao.
I love judging.
Who will vanquish their foe? We'll find out next.
So that's mine. I asked Hoffman to enhance it, but he said he didn't have time.
Yeah, you didn't edit your photos.
So I really like the contrast with the track and the green, but then the green kind of mixes in with the trees behind him.
What was I supposed to do about him wearing a weird outfit?
I think that's what you're supposed to use your imagination for. You could have gotten a higher shot so that more of the track was behind him. You could have gone
This is
maybe
my
to the
longest
left,
lens.
presumably. I'm just criticizing you, okay? You can't really argue. It's done.
One of the criteria was kind of the whole background's contrast versus the foreground, and I think you do lose James. It does feel like he's posing. It doesn't feel like it's quite capturing the subtleties of what James was accomplishing on that day. The way that the light is hitting his face, I don't particularly love, and I think I might have chosen a different part of the track.
Are you a photographer?
Okay, you're not supposed to even know who took which photo, so you should probably just judge the photo.
Obviously, you took this picture. I like the contrast of the outfit and the red track, so I give you a thumb up.
Now let's move on to Brandon's photo.
Technically speaking, I think this one is a better photo than the other one. Just technically.
I like yours better.
I'm not sure if I'm looking at the guy or the stands.
I wish you could have captured it where the track was a uniform color and there wasn't the blue, but overall I think this is actually an excellent photo.
And the subject's pretty pop out, but it's a little bit dark. He looks happier than yours.
Oh, not bad.
I think where this one kind of fails is that I don't see the merch. So I don't know what I'm buying. You did a good photo here, but I don't think it quite sells the merch to me.
I would argue that most of the best advertisements just look like people having fun using the thing and are not focused on the product.
Well, then it's good you're not judging your own photos.
You're just not showing much about the product. It's more about a Colton's face, which is not important.
I think we have a very biased judge in the panel.
It looks like he's happy and just doing something. Problem is, I don't know what it is I want to buy.
Interesting idea of having your subject posing in the background, but I don't see enough of him. So I get my fancy tickled, but not quite satisfied. And so it's not a bad photo, but I don't love this one.
While I appreciate the logo being visible, the hat on that dark table doesn't tell me anything about how it fits. I think it was a waste of having your model in the back and not wearing it.
I don't like this one either.
Yeah, I'm not.
So I really like this photo. I think it's lots of fun. You use the sandals, which I think is excellent. I think that's a great use of part of our branding. And so I really like this. I think there's obviously a little bit of trouble with the exposure. The fun more than makes up for it, and I love this photo.
Colton's face is a little bit hot on his right side.
Colton's just a hot guy.
As a consumer, if I see this on your website, I wouldn't want to buy this hoodie. All I want to buy is a pair of jeans for him to wear.
This picture actually sells me on something the best from what I've seen so far. I can see myself being in that hoodie.
Excellent. Next
I also
photo.
don't wear pants all the time, so it really speaks to me.
I think it's a good smile, but yeah, it's just an okay photo.
I like this picture among all the others the best because I like the happiness he's bringing to me. So just watching this picture, I want to buy 2 water bottles.
While all the other pictures kind of let me imagine myself, I would never be going like this with my water bottles. It's like, I don't know, it just screams corporate to me.
I still like the idea of this photo. I think it's fun to be playing with the water bottle, and I think it's important to sell merch with fun, not just style. And I think you did a good job getting a good performance out of Colton.
As an ad for the water bottle, this is kind of terrible. I think it's actually out of focus.
His eyes kind of look a little dead or scary or something. Yeah, I don't think you nailed it on this photo.
The logos and the designs actually really pop with his face. He's like really surprised that he got this free shirt or something.
This photo, again, feels like it's a salesman holding up a thing that he wants me to buy.
It happens to be that, in fairness to Brandon.
But it doesn't make me want to buy it. It doesn't make me picture myself wearing it. And I actually thought that could have been a towel.
Actually, this picture is amazing. You can see the food. It actually looks pretty tasty.
I know I'm not supposed to eat pet food, but they are selling it to me, and I'm not sure if it's actually pet food, but it looks good.
When you microwaved the food during the challenge, I was a little concerned for your sanity, but you proved me wrong, and it actually made it kind of come together and look a little more appetizing.
You're trying to tell the audience that you have too much going on in this picture.
I like the other colors that contrast with the bowl and the food, but it does seem kind of distracting, and the food doesn't look like food.
I like the pose, I like the arm crossing. It looks like he's trying to sell me a house or maybe trying to sell me renovation services that I would probably consider buying. The lighting is a little bit off. I think I lose his eyes, but I think you did a really good job considering you're sitting in the back seat of a car, and so good job.
I would not buy a building from this guy. He looks a bit shady.
The framing is okay, could be better. On LinkedIn, maybe that'll work.
So I love this photo, maybe for the wrong reasons. I think you were going for Tinder profile, you succeeded. I think using the pickup as a background instead of trying to find a neutral space was a strong choice.
For Tinder profile, yeah, you can see a lot of pictures like this, but you might be single forever because it's such a douchey look.
What about Grindr?
Like, for a one-night stand, he seems like a pretty good choice. A relationship? Probably not.
I want to print this on a canvas. I want to put it up in my house. I want to make this a movie poster. I want to make it the cover of my 17 Love Songs of 2004 album. And so overall, as a set, I think it's good. There's so much diversity. They look like they're having fun. And man, that last photo is excellent. I love it.
You can feel that moment, just quiet and happiness. the marriage is good, it's working out. I wouldn't ask for the full refund, but I might ask for a discount because it's a little bit overexposed.
If I were pregnant or my partner was pregnant, who really cares if like a picture is perfect but has no emotion? This has all of the emotion and it's good enough.
This one ended up being by far my best photo.
That thing
that's really
is
good.
awesome.
We'll print it on a display. I think this is a really strong set, and as individual photos, you might have beaten Linus on any of them except for the last one. That one's so good. But as a set, they're kind of like one note. I love the colors. I think like the exposure is good. I think the emotion of this is pretty good, but then they're in the same pose. And so now I can see more of the world, and I like this field, but it's kind of the same photo, just like zoomed out. As a set, it doesn't tell the story.
Linus's pictures are like for about to marry couple, but this couple looks like they're getting divorced. I don't feel the happiness.
If I were the client, I think it's the wrong emotion. It makes me feel like they just got some bad news that they're going to lose the babies.
Thank you so much for your photos. Excellent job to both of you. And so good job, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, while you untuck backstage, the judges will deliberate their answer and come back with the winner.
Browsing the internet can be risky business, so why don't you protect yourself and browse anonymously with a hidden IP? Private internet access is an affordable way to do just that. They make the websites and services that you use online think that you are some anonymous person in some different location. PIA offers various levels of encryption and a ton of features, like their internet kill switch that will automatically cut your connection if you get disconnected from your VPN involuntarily. They've got unlimited bandwidth and reliable service with over 3,000 servers in 32 countries, and you can try it risk-free with their 7-day money-back guarantee. They've got apps for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and you can connect up to 5 devices at once on each account. Check it out at lmg.gg/PIA-2. We're gonna have that linked below.
We have deliberated long and hard, and we have come to a decision. This was much closer than anyone expected, and you both did an excellent job, but the winner of today's challenge is Linus.
Woo! Very one-sided competition. Honestly, like your photo of James, I liked way more than mine. If we'd had double the amount of time, I think you would have crushed me on every single challenge. I was crazy lucky more than once. Even around the track.
Yep.
That was the one action shot that I had that was remotely in focus.
Brandon, your punishment is to take a photo of Linus with this trophy with your Pixel 3.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, you can hit that button, but if you liked it, hit like, get subscribed, or maybe consider checking out where to buy the stuff we featured at the link in the video description. I can tell you guys now, it's not the entire story, but a better tool does help. Also down there is our merch store, which has cool merch like the stuff you saw in this video, and of course what I'm wearing right now, as well as our community forum, which you should totally join.